Today I'm going to be looking at the Niveus ZONE Media Center unit. Niveus are well known for their high-end custom integrated market kits, so their Denali Media Center systems and the cargo servers, media servers, very high-end stuff used by the custom integrated market, something Derek and I talk about on the Custom Integrator show. But the Zone is a bit different. This is a media center box, Blu-ray, very small, very neat, pretty powerful as well, and kind of used at the end point of the network. So you may have a big server sat somewhere with all your content on, distributing content around onto this. So first thing I'm going to do is have a look what's in the box, and then I'm going to fire it up and have a play with it. So the box is packed. First thing you get on here is the Zone, and I think what you'd be surprised at is how small it is. Now it's got the protective coating on there, which I'll leave on for now. So this is it, this is the Zone. A slot drive there for the Blu-ray, 2 USB ports. On the back here we've got a DVI port, and I think there's an adapter included, network, USB, eSATA, audio, including optical as well, so I'll probably be using that. It's very light, as you can see it's very small. Of course, this being a PC, it means I can do all the usual things on it. It's got Windows Vista Home Premium installed on it, so of course it's got Media Center and the usual stuff. What it hasn't got is loads of crapware installed. There isn't loads of extra software piled in like some OEMs like to do, so there's none of that stuff on there. You can install your own antivirus and all that kind of stuff, or the dealers can install it, but in this case it's a nice clean install. So let's have a look now at what is installed. We've got Arcsoft Total Media Theatre for the Blu-ray stuff, and of course we've got Windows Media Center and the usual stuff on there. I'm just going to show the we've got Home Premium and the Windows Experience in it. So I'm just going to quickly show you the Windows Experience Index. See, it's 4.9 for processor, 4.5 for memory, 4 for graphics, 3.7 for game graphics, and 5.4 for the hard disk. So this is a pretty decent, respectable score for such a small PC, 3.7. And this is an OEM copy of Niveus ZONE OEM copy of Windows, which means it's certified for cable card. So if you want to use this with cable card, you can do that. Of course I won't be using it with that, but I could try it with a DBT card or something like the HD home room. So it's got the Intel Core 2 Duo 5750 is the processor, 2 GB of memory, and we've got the 32-bit version of Windows installed. So right, let's have a look at the good stuff now. Let's go into Windows Media Center. Right, so the remote control is included, so we can move around Media Center. Let's go to the movie library. This is unique software from Niveus Media that you only get with the Niveus products. Movie library is their movie software. As you can see, this machine came with some example media on it, and it could be locally attached or it could be network. It could be over the network. So first let's go over and here and look at this. This is a Blu-ray movie copied directly to the machine. So we hit play and it loads the Arcsoft software, which is for playing the Media Center, playing Blu-ray discs. And we can choose English, and there we go. So we're straight on with the Blu-ray. There's no disc in the machine. This is just a locally ripped one. So when this eventually fires up. So there we've got Blu-ray playing quite nicely, no stutters or jitters. It's putting out the digital audio via the optical output on the back of the box. So no problems with playing that at all. So this is using ArcSoft that we've got running on there. So and I can go back to Media Center. I can go through and I think this is a DVD that's locally stored, and there we go, playing fine. And again, that's still digital audio out there. So the movie library is a nice application for indexing your movies. Like I said, it comes with the Niveus Media software, and you've got different views. Go by year or by genre. So this one here is a test Blu-ray movie that I had, and so that the disc there shows that that's a local in the drive Blu-ray file, and there's no metadata to download because it's just a test file. So I like this. I like this application. It's definitely a nice way of viewing your movies. Let's go look at the way the disc is. So it's a 141 gig drive on there. Like I said, with some movies already on there, and Windows Home Premium already installed. So there's plenty of space to store extra movies, and of course you've got the USB and the eSATA interface and network attached, so you could use it with a Windows Home Server. Now, other than the ArcSoft, the machine is very clean, and there's not a huge amount of there's no rubbish software in there. You only really get the Niveus software, the Total Media Center, and that's it. So that's the first unboxing and overview of the Niveus Media Zone. So far, the only comment to really say is the blue LED is actually really bright, and if you're running that in a dark home theatre or in your room, or this would make a nice sort of bedroom device. It's a bit bright on the bright side, so it would be nice if you could perhaps turn that down, or just somehow get that so it's not quite bright. It doesn't bother me in this room, it's quite a bright room anyway, but I can see it bothering some people. The other thing is, which you can't hear on this video, is it's virtually silent. I can hear some noise if I stick my ear at the back here, but like from here now I can't hear that at all. So it's very quiet. Even when it was playing a Blu-ray file, there was no problem with noise as well. So that's pretty good as well. So overall, I'm really impressed so far. It could do with having Windows 7 on it, so then it could be part of the home group, and I can pull content from the other machines and sync it up with everything else. Also, it would be great if I had Windows 7 on and home server with PowerPack 3 on, so I could archive shows from my other Media Center machines and pull and stream them across here. So that would be nice to see as well. The Niveus Media software, the movie library, is probably worthy of a video in itself. It's really nice software, very nice and simple to use, very user friendly. So I quite like that as well. And the Blu-ray performance was great. Getting the optical output and the surround sound is really nice. And I tried it with the Blu-ray disc in, and it's quiet as well. So it's a lot quieter than my Xbox, that's for sure. So I think this would make a nice machine if it was pulled in with the rest of my system. So this was perhaps streaming content from other devices, almost like an extender, using it as an extender, but it's a PC on there, so I can maybe watch BBC iPlayer videos directly without having to download and stream them through the Flash player. It doesn't matter, you can watch them in HD on the BBC iPlayer. So this is a great device for doing that kind of content that won't pull down through Media Center and into the Xbox. So I think I'll be using it for stuff like that as well, where I'm testing it out. So really nice unit, great for distributing content around the home. That's when it gets more pricey though, when you start to talk about doing that. But have a look at the link in or the details of pricing and the spec and everything here in the show notes. So overall, really nice. Really looking forward to trying Windows 7 on it. I should be trying that fairly soon, I hope. So thanks for watching this video. All the details about this, prices and links, everything else are in the show notes. Thanks for watching. Bye.